Hi, we have one more notification. TCS Ninja hiring 2021 test. TCS Ninja hiring 2021 qualification should be BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, or MSc. These are the qualifications they are looking. So batch 2021 latest batch they are looking, but it is mentioned. I think it is by mistake. I think they are mentioned here. It's not 2022, 2021. Latest batch. So best in industry, maybe 2022 batch also there, maybe they are going to maybe apply for this position. A best industry, a job location across India, last date 15th August 2021. This is the last date for this position. Test date 30 August 2021 onwards. They are going to conduct the test 30th on August 2021. So detailed eligibility, course and discipline: UG, PG engineering courses from BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc program. Any specialization offered by the university, college are only eligible to apply for this position. So these are the qualification. Any specialization is fine for this position. Percentages: minimum aggregate all subjects in all semesters marks should be 60% or 60% CGPA in class 6th, 7th diploma if applicable. Graduation and post graduation examinations, they are mainly looking 60%. Backlogs or areas 80 KT. Students should not have more than one active backlog area 80 KT at the time of appearing for the TCS selection process in the highest qualification. If you selected, students should not have any pending backlogs or area at this time of joining TCS. అక్కడ బ్యాక్లాగ్స్ ఉండకుండా చూసుకోవాలి. ఆ బ్యాక్లాగ్స్ లేకుండా ఉండే వాళ్ళకైతే జాయినింగ్ అయ్యటానికి లేకుండా చూసుకోవాలి. సో దట్ ఈస్ అ condition here. Gap break in education: it is a mandatory to declare gaps in education if any. Break in education should not be due to extended education, examination clearly after the time stipulated by the board, university. Any break in education should not exceed 24 months and it permissible only for valid reasons. Relevant documents proof as applicable will be checked for the gaps in education. సో వేర్ ఇస్ ద గ్యాప్ అనేది వాళ్ళు రీజనబుల్గా ఉండాలి. సో మ్యాథ్స్ గ్యాప్ లేక ఉన్న వాళ్ళు కూడా అప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు. గ్యాప్ ఉన్నా కూడా అక్కడ రీజనబుల్ అనేది ప్రూఫ్తో విత్ ప్రూఫ్ డాక్యుమెంట్తో మీరు సబ్మిట్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది అట్ ద జాయినింగ్ టైం. కోర్స్ టైప్: ఓన్లీ ఫుల్ టైమ్ కోర్సెస్ విల్ బీ కన్సిడర్డ్. పార్ట్ టైమ్ correspondence course will not be considered. Clearly they have mentioned here only full-time courses they are considering. Students who have completed their secondary or senior secondary courses from NIOS, National Institute of Open Schooling, are also eligible to apply if the other courses are full-time. All pending backlogs should be completed within the stipulated time during. Work experience: students with prior work experience of up to 2 years are eligible to apply for TCS Ninja hiring process. 2 years eligibility undali experience. Age: students should be of 18 to 28 years of age participate in the TCS joining process. 18 to 28 years eligible ఉండే వాళ్ళు మాత్రం అప్లై చేసుకోవాలి. About the test: conducted online, at home or physical in center. They are going to conduct an online test at home and physical test in center. So 2 years validity of NQT score. Apply for any entry level role in any corporate with the NQT score. TCS Ninja hiring selection pattern: the test duration will be 180 minutes, cognitive skills 120 minutes and 60 minutes for programming. Total 180 minutes. In that 120 minutes cognitive skills, 20 minutes for programming. Cognitive skills test is there. Here numerical ability 40 minutes, verbal ability 30 minutes, reasoning ability 50 minutes. These are the cognitive skills. Programming logic 50 minutes, hands-on coding 45 minutes. How to apply for TCS in the hiring process? Here one link also they are given to us, so you can open the link. So these are the registration process. You can go to the registration, open. You can here the application process also, here step by step you can go through it and you can apply for this position. So if you want to, I can going to provide the link in the description, so you can check it out and you can apply for this position. So thank you for watching.